Hi, we are the Blue Eagles out of Plymouth North High School. Our teacher and Sean have been flying drones, and they wanted to start teaching kids how to fly drones, especially with the fast expanding market for drones and pilots. Also, drones in school was a perfect stepping stone for us. Our engineering and facilities management tech programs have teamed up to teach students how to fly drones. So far, we have successfully taught some students how drones work and how they fly. Hello, my name is Ethan, and I am our team's marketing coordinator and graphic designer. I have started to learn how to fly, and I have been filming the virtual races that we have set up. The rest of our team and I have been working to create a logo as well as making the marketing video.
Hi, I am Jackson, and I am our drone technician. I have parted out our drone electronics along with building and maintaining the drones. I've also learned a lot about how the flight controllers work as well as how to set them up from scratch. Just like our other pilot, Sean, I've been flying for a few months now, and I am extremely excited to have the chance to compete and hopefully make it to Texas with the wild card.
Hi, I'm Sean, the project manager as well as design engineer. I have worked with the team to create and test a drone as well as frame materials. I also have managed the project a lot, making sure that we are able to complete the virtual competitions and simulator competitions. Keeping in contact with everyone for flying dates along with getting the portfolio display and marketing video done for February's submission was a real challenge, but thankfully we made it work.
Hello, I am Kaylin, our manufacturing engineer. I have worked on getting the drones printed as soon as I can, as well as testing different materials that we could possibly use. I also have helped develop the drone to print quickly and easily. I have helped to get the marketing video edited and finished as quickly as we could. Thank you so much to our sponsor, Air and Water, for helping us get started.